So here it is, Gundam Lfrith from Gundam The Witch of Mercury. You will hear some cuts, some grinds, some snaps, some build. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, here it is. The box came straight from Japan. I pre-ordered it. It was full and I was very lucky to get this one. The box is very beautiful. So let's get down to cutting. And here they are, all the cut parts. Very colorful. They have it's a good white, good dark gray, some pink. It's a good color combination. It's got some nubs. And then we're just gonna grind the excess nubs, make them smooth. Now you see the curved parts, you use the sanding sponge. It's way better. As usual, you start from the lowest grid, and then you upgrade to a higher grid. And lastly, use the highest grid you have, so you can have a very smooth surface. And here it is, the snap and build part. So let's get to it. Gundam Lfrith in its glory. It looks good. The white and the pink, magenta. It's great. It's a great combination. Along with the backpack. And the backpack's kind of empty, but it is what it is. It's a very aesthetic kit. And for the next video, I'm going to color it. Here's some midnight purple. Here's some cool white. And here's orange. Coal orange. So please watch the next video for the results of my painting. Ciao!